MTV so Adom TV so bejonjo media so dia we can see un empire sa kenan no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesim kunyana me kono quantum coding some order sa kenan no pensu biu e wo Ghana agudi eja so no so mam say nyuma ku miensa wo na bom ska dwetire me no pedin komo no eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting there is better than soccer. We try to be for din be fu twa ne kuma bia wo din kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo ye ma ofase for na mukunu eno mpunafo ina se na no brunya no boys nyam financial freedom new year omsanya financial freedom Easter omsanya financial freedom nei ye say rap fufu nti we hwesa na ma esia kwa ya fa ho gym 1xbet betia boa e ma ne ma etia ko yin kra ne kra chese sala nso ba 1xbet betia boa e ma ne ma etia to ye dia ma ne mum bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira nya ya no eno ani di twa bet nya sa bet diwa utri betia bom wadwene betia hyehye wani betia punu so timisrew e na de adwene kakra etia sa to bet with money that you can afford to lose. Jeffas Mr. Dretatashwi infections said do more than that sound sabetia kabi say gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chewa ukọ herbal shops na pharmaceutical shops ni nema o set me kan Jeffas Mr. betia boa e mo pomodon sem so agina pintin e waradim said more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for pampas be pimo na say do ba ko 2 ya odi as pain every one said more gel and roll on ukọ ashaman me market an sabetia kabi na fitema so enye na ho kra say utubi akoton na say otode ayo hono obetia friend pay for 0208219129 na one sedimo gel and roll of phone pay for yenhwetwen komo yenhwemwa emo apomodon sem so enyina yi we mu ene sponsors ne mu tuturu to ne atwetwe twa mo tachira boa emena no penso ye komo no etenjao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yenhwa sem fan fi Euro qualifiers Kita the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana den komo kakra tia ba senyame adoma say akensi etwa to kra Ghana bebo e qualifiers me ba so September busu ye ne Central African Republic and this akensi ne ebetun aboso na bofcast mo so optimistic senyame adoma sa akensi ne de ye beku Central African Republic for di near qualify for AFCON 2023 no e wo e la Côte d'Ivoire. Ghana head coach Ibrahim Tanku papa Amanfo Beka no assistant coach Edmavo Kafenka Cameroon obesa di assistant coach 1 Edema the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana former Kumasi Ken Faisal Babies player Osinaka na Germany e Montenso nei ono no kita sa team ya omohwe nim senyame adoma omo qualify ka first three no kra betua boa e ma 2024 Olympic Games nso Ghana football ye de ni etia sa kira CB na embremu e the owner of Air Blackberries Air Ladies Football Club mama I friend say gift you worry ono so den komo kakra ba mafo aye e ma football chese krum ha de e ma football ensheda first kabjete bia ma me chese e ma football ne ye ne ed ne kakra de ba we ni ya o hwese ne mesi koso a e be so abakra sin trum ho de no na we ene nsema ma me gifty oware ono so e dia bija
Senate ye Edin or like owning a team or Ghana, net Edin managing them. I mean, Nyama wafemo share a crowd.
Oh, says we have maybe look at put up Mutifia, Edin, some managing him. And remember, dear no moon say a career, or Berman who say. Mijeti and the same bobo. It will be beer, Bema Bona, but Obano, Sabio, there has been momenta. Very for you be makasai omo lusu match bi ya kwa ye post match we omo de te lusu ni na see you ma mesrai now bobo ranka me ma mesra ko me head these are the little things that happens with Emma any we managing ye we emotions month we obi mpo bunensa o say the emotions ne flip obi cheduane welfare behwe ye welfare e de nsa to e kom no ne kasai me de me come asem che no amfa nsa to be kom enu ntini me de ball na bobi so these things happen with Emma football and then I get on tourist in recent administration on Badwam bebre no na ye nya a lot of support financially it just a football na se no season started ba unya bibia we nso a obehu uche tika o say within the season na unya una di first in post kan e kakra so these were the challenges but I think so far no nyawa bibia ba yanya some few sponsorships I boy and then this administration had done a lot of trainings which also help here I born him no nyoma kakra.
Wow. Don't worry, owner of Berry Ladies Football Club. Omna be share woman no my makeup kama, but no the bobo. Na ohwese Messi a chese bibia kama edema mutwemedia 80 no. Yembre mo MTN FA Cup 2023 afidie no Kumasi Ken Faisal ene Dreams Football Club a omo bezi e odewu FA president team and the Akensi ni ebo so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na je say Dreams Football Club for ache Kenfasa etwa makaminu omantime semada braka Akensi ni ba so Dr. Kwamichi Sports Complex Kumase Abraham Kese ana Sakins Kese ni 8 FM na Abdul Karim Zito any coach Edema Dreams Football Club o say ohwe ekunimdia omadia omode be ko Africa ne mum na nya bete say omutime ko ebedu sampempenso we.
There's no achievement without hard work. It was so difficult, but we're focused, most especially when we found ourselves at the bottom of the league. So it made the work so tedious for me. But I tried to separate it. I tried to concentrate on the league. After placing 6, which was a record for the club, we now come back to focus on the champion. And today I thank God that we'll be able to win.
Are you going to be worthy representatives of Ghana when you go to Africa? The question is, will you even go to Africa?
Inshallah, we'll go.
Will you be worthy representatives?
Yes, I've played the African Cup before, and now as a coach, I know what it takes to build a club into that, what do you call it, into that tournament. So we'll go.
It's Coach Abdul Karim Zito. And the Kita Dreams Football Club or Sena enye better say omutimi konye ebedu mpenso a ene omde agi kruwa no MTN Cup pesan say uko Premier League no ma na omo re ho de den pint na say omusisi ho nso ye ba ni nyinam no timi prapreche nei wode abedu sam mpenso yi na ebisa ne say obetimi akwa Africa na o say yes obetimi akwa Africa ase ne sika ana ode ekonyame adoma club ne mpenfo say afi no mo badwene ho so mo bekwa na so mo kona emene ne krabia ene no so ebetimi akire nyame de prapreche kwa no MTN Cup committee chairman omutibre kese fense wosenata ono so se o assess tournament na fidia utimi sampa so mutumu nchine emu ye de emu so ye dokodoko emu ye fem a omugidi pass afufo so no saa ana mo betimi asanhwe aboa emaniama atoye ama MTN FA Cup no.
I'm happy. I'm fulfilled. Usually it should be easy, but given the fact that today was Father's Day and the national team was playing, so people will stay at home and watch. So bringing them here has been tough. But I think the live viewing here made sense. And then we created a lot of environment, entertainment for fathers to be here. We provided free entry for women and children. So the fathers paid, and it's paid off.
I was asking the president about the winners representing Ghana in Africa. He says it's early days, but you think they'll be worthy representatives?
Yes, they have some work to do. In terms of quality of play and the depth of their squad, they are not bad. Maybe 2-3 inclusions, they should be ready for Africa.
Nti ura Wilson Arthur MTN FA Cup committee no tibrekese ana otene council de nkomo 8 say jasampa matoto ne mayi ma otimi se bibia ededa na akwam kozi se ye nanu ada ekoba se Dreams for Epeja 2023 MTN FA Cup Frank Anigina kunku a wo mo anabeko Africa medu besia na madawase na mama mo ene hwe ni monitie ewo Adom TV so nyumaku no emiensa omadama omne bom skadwete me na no penso de nkomo no 8 brɛ channel so mam say 1x birthday. I've always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa. Abusuya diska ukobi eja shempasi enya hwebetime tabili akoton faketo akoje kese 1x bet no bet with money that you can afford to lose. Afi so je fast message do tatashi enso ebwa adwuma pa se infections na tetewa proper hara ho ena omre bo mo ultimate nchiniche ewradim and afi so Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan ya odiedia etu ase proper chi bo amanema 822 ye edema omodin ada so be kwa shama me market na fitema so enya na hokra obetia from 0208219129 na on Sedimo gel and roll on phone paying for yenhwetwe enkomo yemmo ma sentiment cancer product bi o madama wo me touch de bo amena no penso de enkomo no so etmejawo medin de profit kewalas me so so de na hanapia enka na adwuma Barclays Bank and be Absa Bank eni wo hwese na nema ese koso so birthday no ti hana apia baby a obia no fantastic birthday morning and so enkomo medin de profit kewalas agudi catch back up. The act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.